Hi, I'm Julia Stewart. I'm a senior tech recruiter for Liberty Mutual, supporting our general retail markets. I support mostly software engineer hiring, all levels. This includes solution engineers as well as architects. Technology underpins everything that we do at Liberty Mutual, and technology talent are needed to support the applications driving our business forward. We have over 5,000 technology employees. They touch everything from our customer-facing applications to the tools that support our employees, insurance agents, and brokers globally. For our software engineers, we're looking for continuous learners who thrive on solving challenging technical problems, are creative and adaptable. We want someone that has a passion for software, architecture, engineering best practices, experience working on agile teams. For skills, it can vary depending on role. Some of the technologies we work with are Node.js, Spring Boot. We also are looking for folks that have experience coding in multiple languages like Java, JavaScript, SQL. And then we're also looking for those that have experience building and maintaining cloud native architectures across AWS, GCP, and Microsoft. We've started including folks not only that have a 4-year computer science degree, but have hired folks that have went through 2 coding schools as well as boot camps and finished apprenticeship programs. For most roles, there's probably about 3 or 4 rounds of interviews. Typically, this will include, as a first step, you might have a conversation with a recruiter to get more information on the role. If that goes well, the recruiter will move you on to the manager. They'll review your profile. The manager, if they want to move forward, will set up a first round conversation. Typically, it can be anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. They're just making sure that your skills align for what they need in their current engineering squad. And they might also ask you some questions about your resume, as well as some behavioral questions, looking for specific examples of where you might have performed the work that they're looking for based on the question they're asking. And that will involve a technical assessment. The technical assessment can be anywhere from 90 minutes to 2 hours. It's 2 parts. The first part is a coding assessment where the candidate can actually pick the language they want to code in. And the second part of the interview will be more technical questions around design patterns and engineering best practices. We're looking for engineers that can analyze technical system problems and implement effective solutions. So it's important that they can show this on the resume. This goes beyond just listing all the tools and programming languages in a paragraph that they might have worked with. It's really important that in the body of the resume, they're showcasing where they've used those technical skills, especially for roles where teams are looking for a particular tech stack, let's say whether it's working with cloud technologies or full stack, which might be React, Node.js. They just want to highlight that on the body of their resume. Some companies aren't working with those current technologies, and that's okay, but a good way to showcase that project work or experience, if they have a GitHub account, that's another way to showcase some project work. So I would definitely suggest doing that. So in terms of the interview process, I would just say to make sure that your resume's up to date, and then make sure that with your up to date with your current skills. And in terms of the coding assessment, I would just say make sure that you brush up on whatever language you selected for the coding assessment. There will be instructions prior to the interview on how that will look, so that the candidate can prepare for that. So recently we were named Computerworld's Best Places to Work in IT. Our employees are exposed to emerging technologies, open frameworks, and agile methodologies. We offer a competitive benefits package. This can include work-life balance, flex working arrangements. We also have a 401k plan to match, as well as a pension plan. And the Liberty Mutual does invest in a robust set of learning opportunities that drive continuous learning and relevant skill building across technologies and agile. In terms of our agile transformation, I saw firsthand the emphasis on upskilling and training our employees, basically so they could fit into the new technical environment that we were building.